doing? Put your hands back on the wheel. I am not letting you do this. Then you're going to have to kill me.
Stop the car!
Lisa, calm down. What? What is it? What did he say?
Mum, you're scaring me.
Oh, please don't tell me that was Carla.
Go on, do it! Well, you don't think I will? After everything you've done? I love you. Come on!
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are calling. Speak no feeling, no, I don't believe you. You don't care a bit, you don't care a bit. Notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are calling. Speak no feeling, no, what you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk means people can speak no.
Guys, there's smoke in here.
You don't care a bit, you don't care a bit.
Come on. Is everyone okay? Dad. There's nothing to say.
Yes, there is!
There is. Todd.
What you say? What you say? That you only meant well, that you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? What you say? That it's all for them, that it's all for us, 'cause it is. What you say? What you say? Just what we need, just what we decided this. What you decided this. What you say? What did she say? What did she say?
Cable Travis, back!
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say?
She's not moving. Guys, we need to get out. Back window. Lisa, can you hear me? Yes, Hunter Moore by your overpass. Multiple casualties. Chris is being injured. You need to get someone here now. Debbie, wake up. Debbie, wake up.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say?